hope you're having a great day. So today I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna harvest as many things as I can, and then I'm gonna put together my farmer market bouquets. And I'm gonna try to do it as fast as possible today because I have a lot to do. Okay, so I've got my jars all ready, but then I have a bouquet order I need to complete, so I'm going to do that really quick and then get back to the farmer's market bouquets. Okay, I have them lined up. I'm gonna get in close, and if you pick your favorite one in the comments below, I would appreciate it. I really loved getting your feedback last week. I thought it was really fun to see all the different answers, and then I will mark which ones sell at the farmer's market. All right, so we're just gonna go down the line, and it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you just pick your favorite. Oh, this one got kind of crazy on me. That makes a difference, huh? All right, so I'll do a little close up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I feel like it just doesn't do it justice in this room how pretty these peonies are. And I've got some doubles. They're little twins. I got 2 twins in that one. Some of them are pink and purple. Some of them are just pink. And some of them have some blue, pink, and purple, and white. So I don't know if that was fun for you guys or not. I guess I'll find out based on how many people comment this week. But I thought it was really fun. So, and I really appreciated everybody that commented. All right, those 6 are done. So I have my wrap bouquets left, and then to finish up my little ones. Okay, I made another bouquet. This one is for my dad and my mom for their house, and it has a peony that I picked that I planted. The original one, there's 3 original 100-year-old peonies. This is a peony from my yard that I wasn't expecting. A rose bush that I found amongst the weeds. Another peony from my field. I think this is coral charm. It looks really pretty. And then one of the pink peonies. Just kind of as a thank you. So they always come and get a bouquet from me. And like, it's my dad and his family's farm. And he does a lot out here too. So this week, they just get gifted a pretty bouquet. Okay, so sorry I didn't get all my bouquet making. I think you guys saw it in a video the other week. I did it the same way. But I ended up getting 7 orders for, I guess there must be like a last dance recital or something. So I had to do that too. I think they turned out really cute. Some of them were $20, some were $25. All people did different prices, so I think they're really cute. Got some peonies, they smell good, some lupine. So yeah, that was a very good surprise because that's a lot more bouquets now I'm taking to the farmer's market, but I can't sell those. I have to just say off limits. And then I had a friend just contact me and they were wanting one more. Sorry about the mess. I did clean up a little bit, but so, and I already made up like 10 market bouquets, so I'm thinking of just taking my wrapping paper and wrapping them tomorrow because I wasn't really sure I would sell that many anyway. They were talking about rain in the forecast. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I took some pictures, so I got the pictures, I got the video of the 6, and then I did the wrap bouquets the same way. I'll show you my stand tomorrow, and I hope everybody has a fantastic day.